Meta has recently shared that its ad system now uses 3 separate AI power functions to deliver the ads to the most receptive audience across its apps. Here's what they mean for you as an advertiser. These 3 systems are Meta Gem, or called Superbrain, is a machine learning mode. With Gem, Meta's recommended system learns from enormous amounts of data, recognizes patterns, and provides the most relevant ads to the right person at the right time with a low latency. Metalis, or called the Giant Library, oversees the various Meta ads available and how different types of ads and promotions are shown to each other, or in other words, creative diversification, and about what I did a full video here. And most mentioned one is Meta Andromeda. Finally, Andromeda learns each user personal preference to ensure that Meta ad system can show you promotions that are most relevant and interesting. These systems are also governed by improved ad sequencing to ensure that you see the most relevant ads across Meta apps. Simplified example. Previously, with traditional aggregated data model, if a user converted on one summer resort ad, they may continue to see other summer resort ads. With recent changes, after purchasing a summer room in a hotel, a person would now see the ads for swimming equipment, bikini, or snorkeling activities, providing more relevant ads personalized to the purchase journey. It all sounds amazing in theory, but honestly, I'm not seeing that ad yet. Not in my feed or in my ad accounts. The other day, I click on a watch ad and I was swamped with watch ads the next few days. But let's talk more about Andromeda. At its core, and per Meta engineers, Andromeda is personalized ads retrieval engine designed to improve the way the ads are selected and presented. This helps users learn about a business or a product they are interested, while helping an advertiser meet their objective, such as increasing brand awareness, acquiring new customers, and obviously driving sales. There are 2 ways and challenges that Andromeda addresses. One is volume of ad candidates. With millions of ads trying to get attention, selecting the most relevant one for each user becomes complex. And second, tight latency constraints. Delivering ads promptly is crucial. Delays can disrupt user experience and reduce its effectiveness. Andromeda tackled these challenges by enhancing the ad retrieval process, ensuring timely and relevant ad delivery by utilizing sophisticated neural networks. Basically, this integration allows a better understanding of a user behavior and preferences, which should lead to more accurate ad recommendations. On a technical level, Advantage Plus automates budget allocation, audience targeting, and bid adjustment, which streamlines the campaign management. That's also a reason why they changed Advantage Shopping Plus to Advantage Sales Campaign and made the default and only option when creating the campaigns. They also removed the option to put a percentage cap for buyers, but they added the option to exclude audiences as in regular campaigns. They also said that advertiser with Advantage Plus creative turned on its AI-driven targeting, experiencing a 22% increase in ROAS from ads. I mean, is anybody really believing that adding music behind my image is gonna improve my results? So, based on Metaverse, it sounds like we should simplify everything, because everything is now 100 times better and people would convert like they're crazy. You just need to load the ads and that's it. This also feels somewhat counterintuitive to what we always know, that using your audience understanding is going to deliver better results than trusting the ad targeting machine, which are obviously optimized to benefit the platforms as well. Let's not forget that. But these AI elements are being trained on actual ad response across Meta apps and can detect the various commonalities and traits that align with such. While creative is doing the targetings, honestly, none of my fellow media buyers and none of my ad accounts or accounts that I audited are using their suggested approach with loading 50 plus ads to one campaign. Most people still stick to 3 to 6 ads per ad set in a regular campaign, or winners only in Advantage Shopping Plus campaign where you could have 10 or 20 plus ads. The reason I don't want Facebook to pick just 1 or 2 amazing ads, which happens often in Advantage Shopping Plus when there are too many ads, because the algo pick winner and ignores all the rest ads. The issue that some of the overlooked creatives could still perform well for various audience pockets. They might not be the ultimate winners. If they are above my target ROAS, I still consider them winners and they're still valuable to me, because it's easier to scale with 7 ads than with just 1. and I would always rather have a couple of supporting winning ads instead of just one ultimate ad. So instead of stacking everything into one campaign and letting Facebook decide too early, it's often better to split them out. Either pair separate ad set or campaigns so you can manually scale the ones that are working without the algo prematurely kill them off. That's the whole purpose of my ABO testing. And honestly, to conclude, I think Andromeda update is a bit overhyped. Advantage Shopping Plus was always intended to allow the inclusions of more ads and still achieve success, surpassing the results of our regular and conventional conversion campaigns. Naturally, any enhancement that allow the platform to pinpoint and distribute more relevance ads on a larger scale is beneficial. But don't just blindly throw 20, 50 ads in one campaign and expect that everything is happening and like you get amazing ROAS. Obviously, creative diversification is important, variations per creatives are important, targeting users in a different part of journey is important, but honestly, I'm not seeing at the moment that the performance is gonna be amazing just from loading all of the possible ads. Obviously, Facebook know that VSL is gonna do the prospecting, that the image ad with an offer is gonna do retargeting, but that was happening even without the Andromeda. So in order to maximize your efficiency, obviously implement some of the suggestions from Meta, but don't trust it blindly.